the man himself. Tech it. Know every time I rock it, yo, my mind expands. He's very ill when his hand touches spray paint can. Aerosol on the wall, yo, the final call. When he touches the can, that's when he starts the ball. Everybody out here, yo, he can never stall. Did one of Darth Vader, flip one of Darth Maul, one of Yoda. Yeah, like a super soldier, word is born. You could say that this is Tempest popcorn. Yo, knowledge is born when he touches the canvas. So many cans, yo, he mentally hands this. Yeah, he makes it deep, please don't sleep since as a fetus. He even spray paint on Adidas. He can do anything in the world you can see. So with the camera now, just please follow me. Yo, he breaks it down as good as they come. Here's another revelation of the good die young. Bruce Lee, Mahatma Gandhi, yo, and Elvis. Yeah, sit back, relax while I tell this. And when I spit the lyrics, yo, I rep this way. He even did a portrait of Jam Master Jay to please this, to ease this, never deceive this. Jim Morrison, Martin Luther King, and Jesus. All great people together, it's non-stop. Can't forget Marvin Gaye and the great Tupac. It don't stop, follow me as we start to bomb. While I speak with the lyrics and I keep my calm. It's super nat, yo, and I've never been exempt with doing it right now for my main man Tip. Where has the art went? Where did the love go? A lot of people out there, they talk and don't know. Now check out this piece from here, my man, while he painted, yo, what an exploding can. As the mind expands, that's the way that it goes. So many telepathic lyrics when I'm freaking the flow. Couldn't you tell? Yo, his art skills is nice. He even depicted 10 years of his life. Shall I say that twice? Yo, and I should see WW Temper now for me. BMC.com, that's the name. One of the greatest artists you ever seen inside the game. What?